All right, every year we put up icicle lights on our house, just across the front of the house. So you can see we started there and they go all the way across the front, just a very simple, straight front. And I'd done these for years growing up as a kid and always got those plastic clips that went in the gutter. They'd always break, they last a year, they're really terrible. So I finally got sick of that and decided to come up with something different. So you can see here, I drilled a hole about every 2 feet across the face of our gutters and got some stainless steel. I'm not even sure they're stainless steel. They made us be zinc coated S-hooks that simply slide in and you can hang the lights on them. And we take them out every year, so we don't leave them in. They're really easy to take out, and we're putting them in this year. You can see they're not there now, so we're gonna add them in. Got a little helper to give them to me. And I did have to bend them a little bit. Probably didn't have to do this, but I went ahead and did it so they just fit in a little bit tighter. This one's not perfect, but some of them actually fit in quite tight against the edge and kind of squeeze in there. And so far, I don't think we've ever had one fall off throughout the whole year. And they do a great job of kind of holding the lights where you want them. So if you're looking for a way to hang your icicle lights and you're sick and tired of dealing with those stupid plastic things, you can buy about 50 S-hooks from the hardware store for about the same price as one year's worth of plastic hooks, and they do a phenomenal job. They have held up. This system has worked for about 6 years now, and I don't see any reason why it wouldn't work. I was a little worried about drilling holes in the gutters. I didn't know what that would do, but it's been no problem at all. Can't see it, don't notice it. Works perfect for Christmas. So if you're looking for a little hack, this is one that is probably the best idea I've ever come up with. I mean, like I've never seen anything quite like it, and it works great. And it took maybe an hour to do the whole thing, to drill them in place one season when I put them in, and that's been working ever since. So give it a shot.